You're doing this every single morning, and you have no idea how much it's hurting you. It's killing your testosterone, your energy, and your drive as a man today. I'm going to show you the silent habit that's destroying your masculinity, and at the end, I'm giving you the secret weapon to take it all back, but only if you watch this video until the end. Subscribe now to the Ruvian channel before the damage becomes permanent. Imagine waking up every day with less energy, less focus, no motivation to work out, and thinking that's just normal, but it's not to her. Body is trying to tell you something, and no one ever taught you this. What you do in the first 10 minutes of your day could be destroying your male hormones for hours. Most men do this wrong. And the worst part, they think it's healthy, because that's what we were taught. Wake up, grab your phone, drink your coffee, eat your cereal. Sounds like a routine, but it's actually a ritual of hormonal self-destruction. In this video, you'll find out exactly what you need to cut from your mornings and what to do instead so you can feel powerful, driven, and full of testosterone again. But wait, before I reveal the deadly habit, you need to understand what it's doing to your body, and it will shock you. Your body is a machine, but just like any machine, it needs the engine to start properly in the morning, and what activates that engine is testosterone. The natural peak of this hormone happens in the early hours of the day. That's when your body is ready to train, to make decisions, to feel motivated. But when you start your day with the wrong habit, you're literally turning off that engine. What happens? Cortisol shoots up, fake dopamine takes over, your testosterone crashes, and you don't even notice. You feel tired, unfocused, low energy. You think something's wrong with you. But it's not you, it's your routine. Everything. And, spoiler alert, 90% of men do this in the first few minutes of the day. So, what's the habit that's killing your masculinity the moment you wake up? It's this: grabbing your phone as soon as you open your eyes. Seems harmless, right? But it's invisible poison for your brain and your hormones. When you start your day on Instagram, TikTok, or even watching porn, you're flooding your brain with fake dopamine. Your brain thinks, wow, I already conquered the day, but in reality, you haven't even left the bed. It kills your motivation, it kills your drive, and it kills your testosterone because your body thinks it already got the reward without doing anything. Result: you spend the day distracted, insecure, unfocused, and you don't even know why. This simple habit is turning thousands of men into passive, disconnected versions of themselves. Then the worst part, they think it's normal, but now you know. And in the next part, I'm going to show you exactly what to do instead to activate your body like a real alpha in the first 5 minutes of your day. Now that you know what's killing your masculinity, it's time to do the opposite. Here's the 5-minute morning routine that can change everything. And no, you don't need supplements or a fancy gym or magic formulas. You just need this. Step 1, don't touch your phone. Simple, but 90% fail here. Wait at least 30 minutes. Step to get out of bed and get direct sunlight, even if it's cloudy. This triggers testosterone, real dopamine, and real energist. Step 3, drink water with lemon and pink salt. You'll hydrate, give your body minerals, and shake off the brain fog. Step 4, move your body. Push-ups, squats, jumping jacks. Just 2 minutes can fire up your hormone systems. Step 5, breathe deeply and visualize your day like a leader. 1 minute, just close your eyes and see yourself winning. Do this for 7 days, then tell me if you don't feel more focused, more driven, and more powerful than the whole last month you thought phone was the only thing killing your testosterone. Wait until you hear this every single day. Thousands of men are eating a breakfast that destroys their hormone levels. It seems harmless, it's in every house, but it's one of the worst things for your male body. I'm talking about supermarket cereal, the fitness ones, the whole grain, the high fiber. Here's what they really have: refined sugar, inflammatory vegetable oils, and processed soy, one of testosterone's worst enemies. You start the day with that, and your body is already losing the hormone battle. Instead, switch to real food: eggs with bright yellow yolks, nuts, avocado, or even black coffee with coconut oil. These foods fuel your body, boost your energy, and protect your masculine power. But listen, in the next part, I'll reveal a secret that can double your testosterone levels, and barely anyone knows this. Stay with me. Now you know what you do in the first hours of the day decides if you're a man full of energy and drive, or just another tired zombie dragging through life. Cut out the phone in the morning, ditch the cereal for real food, and follow the 5-step routine I gave you. Because if you don't change today, tomorrow will feel the same. But if you do change today, in 7 days, you'll wake up with the energy of a true leader. So don't let this video end here. Subscribe now to the Ruvian channel, turn on the bell, and share this video with your brother, your friend, or your coworker who needs to. Get his power back, and the next video will blow your mind because there are 5 silent signs. Your body is suffering from chronic inflammation, and that could be the real reason behind your fatigue, your belly, your anxiety, and even your hair loss. That video you're about to hear what no one ever told you